Kapogs. This is Junior Kapog and this is Daddy Kapog.
Hi.
And we are currently on our journey to Santa Elena Fun Farm
Wow.
because of my school trip. And Daddy Kapog is gonna join us for today. Okay.
Hope you enjoy.
Okay, so now we're at the South Luzon Expressway. We are currently trying to reach near Mapuat and go to Santa Elena. Yeah. Okay, so to your left side right now. Okay, so we're currently in traffic, but to your left side it's Mapua. So that means we are really close to our destination. Okay.
Who's studying at Papua?
My brother. A lot of people. And Marcus's brother. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so hello again. So this is, we are at Santa Elena now.
Wala pa. Liligo pa lang tayo. Ayan o.
Just kidding, but
Kakanan na tayo dyan.
so we are gonna go right over there.
That's Santa Elena.
Fun Farm?
Yeah.
Yay!
Golf
So
and Country Club.
yeah, so we are here na. Not really.
And
Not
these
Fun Farm.
are your teachers. Right? Kasama po kami ng mga teacher.
Okay, so this is it. We are,
This is Transit.
yeah.
This is the bike lane actually.
Yeah, but we're just following the teachers over there, really far away. Yeah, so we are almost there now. Well, we're technically here now, pero yeah. We are now going to the parking lot.
Big one.
My dad is singing copyrighted songs right now. I'm just kidding. We're here!
Guest parking here.
Yay!
Oo nga, asan yung
Ah.
mic? Ayun na nga, ayun.
Jay!
Oh, hi!
Oh, sabi mo.
Hello, so we are at the registration.
Pagod-nagod sila yung nakaikot.
Registration booth. Oh,
We are at the registration. I already got my wristband.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then, pakita mo yung mga ano.
See? Registration.
Can ka pag-picture mo na.
Oh. This,
Mami pati yung kumpanya.
pakita mo to.
Oh, yan. Oh, oh, oh.
Hi, Pima.
Okay, so nandito na pa tayo.
Pakita mo to. The TP house.
So this is the TP house. This is the map of Santa Elena Fun Farm. Wow, ganda.
Where?
Currently at the TP house.
Dito?
Yeah,
Where?
over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hello. So we're at Santa Elena. If nothing really to kwento, so we found out there is Turtle Island boating.
Yeah.
Meron pa maze,
Yes.
animal feeding.
What's labyrinth?
It's a maze.
The maze?
Animal feeding, sheep finding, and
No, ship feeding.
oh, sheep feeding. Kala ko, I
Yeah.
thought this is finding.
And junior pavilion.
And junior pavilion. Oh, boating.
So, we're here.
The teachers are right beside us. But,
Yeah. If you want to ride some boating here,
yeah, but we're not gonna ride boats yet. Plus, I don't have swimwear, so it's very bad.
boating and fishing here.
Boating, no?
I didn't see, this is Turtle Island.
What is Turtle Island?
Where's the turtle?
It's the turtle.
Where? Yeah, turtle. Oh, turtle.
Yay! Where's the bunny?
Oh, ang daming turtle, EJ.
Daddy ducks. Swans.
Where?
Swans. Look at the swans. Daddy, don't scare them though.
No.
No flash photography. Oh, right now there's
Oh.
ducks. That's swans.
There's duck.
Ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's scare them away. Yellow palm.
Ito yung mga rabbits. Rabbits nila.
They're so cute. Okay. Let's go back.
Now this is actually a zoo. Not a perfect zoo. Right?
Just a farm.
It's a farm.
Farm zoo.
Farmville. It's a Farmville, you know.
Let's go.
Ito yung mga horses. Kung gusto mong sumakay. Dito, EJ, may mga picnic areas pa rin dito sa area dito.
Fitness?
Picnic.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
no picnic. Carabao cart riding.
Ayan. Picnic area here. If you want to picnic, there's a trail, nature trail, Carabao cart riding, and horseback riding.
Yeah. Let's go back.
Actually, there's no vehicle allowed in here.
Yeah.
There's there's Tamaraw. Tamaraw?
Where?
Yeah, the black Tamaraw.
Can't see Tamaros. Huh? I'm blind right.
Ito, sasakay sila ng kalabaw.
Should I say hi to my dad? Hello.
Anong gagawin dyan?
Hello, we are in the Carabao. He is currently vlogging because he is a YouTuber. Part-time YouTuber.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to our vlog.
Ito na po yung gaya ng ng bukid. Nakasakay po sila sa kalabaw. Ito po yung kalabaw. Ayan po ang kalabaw. Nice ride. Bye-bye. Meron po kami nakita Peta Points. We will go to teacher.
Yes, give it.
Teacher. Ano pangalan mo, teacher? Teacher.
Ayun. Oh, anak doon, bigay mo kay advisor. Wow. Advisor. Good morning. Teacher AJ. Eat my little
Give it to you.
Hi.
Peta. Anong subject? 18.
We're not leaving yet. Kasi sila
We're going to have a sheep feeding. Oh. Pakain mo na. Sheep feeding. Damihan mo kuha. Be. Sabi niya EJ. Doon sa dulo. Hindi. Yan.
Say bye. Say bye.
Be.
Say bye.
Explain mo anong ginagawa mo, EJ?
I'm feeding the sheep.
You're feeding the sheep.
Say bye.
Be.
Bye. Say bye. I'm saying bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Me. Say be.
Say bye.
Be. Say be.
Pwede pa kaya?
Yeah, sure. You can eat it.
Say bye.
Be.
Say ma. Say ma. Say ma.